So um, my name is John, and I come from the United States of America. And so I've been trading for probably for the past almost 2 years. And the way I start trading, I was going to the internet and like looking for some games, and there's like this kind of game. And long story short, I came across to like trading like games and stuff, and I like it. So I installed this game, and then from there I search about trading and all that, like, and I even kind of learn like trading school, in a sense, online trading school. There is few websites out there that is available, and and just probably like over a year ago, I started my small account, but then it doesn't really get you anywhere if you have a smaller account. So I was starting looking for a funded trading and came across this company. So I applied, and the next morning they called me, and now here I am. So
Yeah, that sounds great. That's really interesting how you got into trading through a game. So I've
yeah,
never heard that before, so that's interesting. So did you learn, I know you mentioned that you went to like an academy or a school or an online school about trading. So did you learn how to trade mostly through that, or did you teach yourself, or did you have any previous education in trading, anything like that?
I think mostly uh, I learned from that, trading academy, and the it's it's for free. So basically, nothing to lose. So I just read and read and read, and then also I have a few YouTube channel that I actually really quite like, that helps me growing as well in my understanding of that. But I did not have any background on like financial, or go to the college about finance and things like that. So I didn't have that. So basically I just learned it on the internet, online. So again, I just get into that through this game on a
Yeah. I think a lot more people seem to be teaching themselves how to trade instead of coming from like a background that would have some information about trading. So that's very impressive that you have taught yourself and learned yourself how to trade online. So that's great to hear. Um, so you're doing the Fund to Trader program with AudaCity Capital. How has that been for you so far? Do you have any feedback or anything like that?
yes. It's been good so far, and I know that there are a lot of uh proprietary trading out there, that um most likely I've come across few, um but I think I'm quite okay, happy with um Audacity trading. But I was also looking to few other things, and then it's probably quite the same, the split of the profit and things. But with the platform, yeah, that's nothing really to complain about. So far I am doing as best as I can, because right now I'm not actually doing it full time, because I do have a full-time job. So again, with the time differences between America and UK, because the busiest time, the market is London time. So during that time I'll be deep in my sleep. So I try my best to actually do my analysis before I go to bed, and then put it's like an order, market order. That's basically the best I can do, because if it, if it hit my, if it triggered, then I'll be in a game. But that's just how I can get into London time, because that's the busiest, the busiest market. So,
Yeah.
but so far I'm okay.
Yeah, I'm glad you're enjoying it so far, and I will definitely pass on what you said and your feedback. And yeah, I could agree with you that the time differences must be a bit annoying to trade when you want to trade at the best times.
So you said the
Great.
last question was the
Yes.
best advice that I can give for people who just started.
Yes.
Well,
Yes.
um, I am still on the process in, growing my knowledge, understanding about a market as well. I'm mostly trading just Forex, and that's also, even in my personal account, I just trade Forex. So right now I'm still, trying to grow in my understanding about technical analysis, and fundamental analysis, sentimental analysis, and all those, things. But so I I think I can give a few cents, to people who just starting. You know, I guess it's better to learn until you are really confident with yourself. You know, there are a lot of demo trading platform out there that you can try first, and then until you make sure you're making profit, then you can jump on to a live trading. Otherwise, because Forex is I thought it'll be easy, when I started, but it's not. So um one other thing is, technical analysis and fundamental analysis has to come together. You can't just really focus on one, because um, there's no perfect technical analysis, because uh, nations, their political, political things are changing every day, and things that can change the market as well fundamentally. So when we learn about analysis, we have to combine those three analysis: sentimental and fundamental and technical. And hopefully that will get us into the right direction, that market will not go against us.